Imagine stepping back in time to 2015. You're eager to play your favorite song, so you carefully pronounce, "Hey device, play Bohemian Rhapsody." After a moment of processing, maybe, just maybe, it plays. Or more likely, it awkwardly asks, "Did you say Bohemian Rhapsody?" leaving you slightly frustrated. Those early voice assistants, while groundbreaking for their time, were helpful, but not exactly smart. They were more like obedient parrots than intelligent assistants. You had to use exact words, speak clearly, and maintain a measured pace. There was virtually no room for error or deviation from the script. Now, fast forward to today's world of sophisticated AI. You casually say, "I'm in the mood for some upbeat classic rock from the 70s, without a second thought, and your assistant, remarkably, just gets it. It might intelligently suggest the iconic sounds of Queen, or perhaps the legendary riffs of Led Zeppelin. Now, interacting with technology feels less like giving commands and more like chatting with someone who genuinely understands you and your preferences. This isn't just a simple upgrade, it's a fundamental revolution in how we interact with technology, blurring the lines between human and machine interaction. It feels more natural, intuitive, and almost human-like, making technology feel less like a tool and more like a companion. The leap from basic, rigid commands to understanding context, intent, and even subtle nuances is absolutely huge. Old assistants could set timers and play songs, but only if you asked in precisely the right way, using the correct phrasing. Next-generation assistants learn from your interactions, adapt to your preferences, and handle incredibly complex requests with ease. They understand the nuances in your speech, interpret your intent, and provide intelligent responses, making them far more useful and integrated into your daily life. They're rapidly becoming true digital companions, anticipating your needs and seamlessly integrating into your routines. For regular people, this evolution means technology is finally becoming truly easy to use. No more memorizing complex phrases or struggling with rigid syntax. You just talk naturally as you would to another person. For businesses, it unlocks the potential for smarter, more responsive customer service and more intelligent automation of key processes. This isn't just about surface-level convenience, it's about driving real efficiency gains and creating fundamentally better experiences for both customers and employees. The AI revolution in voice technology is undeniably here, transforming the way we live and work. You simply can't afford to ignore it, as it's rapidly reshaping the technological landscape. The way we interact and communicate with technology has been permanently changed, ushering in a new era of seamless and intuitive interaction. And it's certainly not just about playing music anymore, it's about so much more. It's about having a genuine, meaningful conversation with technology that understands and responds to your needs. Welcome to the new era of intelligent voice assistants, where technology anticipates your needs and seamlessly integrates into your life. So what changed? Artificial intelligence, specifically advances in machine learning and natural language processing, NLP. NLP is the assistant's ears and brain, understanding not just words, but meaning, context, and intent. Old assistants matched keywords and followed scripts. If you strayed, they got confused. Today's assistants use complex algorithms trained on massive data. They understand accents, phrasing, and context. Machine learning lets them improve over time, learning your preferences and speech patterns. Every interaction helps them get better, more personalized, more accurate. Now, technology feels intuitive. You speak naturally, the machine adapts to you. For businesses, this means voice apps that handle complex queries and chatbots that actually help. Even in your car, you can say, "I'm a bit chilly," and it gets what you mean. The result? Voice assistants that are smarter, more flexible, and genuinely useful. The AI behind the voice is what makes the magic possible, and it's only getting better. What truly sets next-generation voice assistants apart from their predecessors? What makes them so much more intuitive and user-friendly? It all comes down to natural conversation. It's not just about issuing commands. It's about engaging in a fluid and dynamic dialogue. Imagine planning a trip. With older assistants, you needed separate, distinct commands for each and every step of the process. It could be quite tedious. But new assistants? They remember the context of your conversation. For example, you can say, "I want to go to Brighton this weekend." And then follow up with, "What's the weather like there?" The assistant intelligently knows that "there" refers to Brighton, without you needing to specify it again. You can then ask about restaurants, and it still remembers you're planning a trip to Brighton. This ability to seamlessly follow the thread of the conversation makes interactions much smoother and far less robotic. This is achieved through improved AI models that can effectively manage conversational state, meticulously tracking what's been said, and diligently remembering key pieces of information. They can intelligently handle pronouns and understand follow-up questions with ease. It's almost like having a short-term memory specifically dedicated to your current conversation. For users, this translates to less frustrating repetition, and it provides real, tangible help with complex multi-step tasks. For businesses, it unlocks the potential for more engaging and satisfying customer experiences. Customer support that remembers the specifics of your issues, and shopping assistance that can intelligently discuss products with you. This is the true magic of genuinely natural conversation with AI. It's a complete game changer, fundamentally altering how we interact with technology on a daily basis. The future is undoubtedly about rich, flowing dialogue, not just simple, rigid commands, and the best part is, this future is already here, available to us today. With so many options available today, how do you even begin to choose the right voice assistant for your specific needs? It can feel overwhelming, but don't worry, we're here to help you navigate the choices. Ultimately, it depends on your individual needs and what you're hoping to achieve with a voice assistant. For home automation and a wide range of skills, Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant excel at seamlessly integrating smart home control and providing entertainment for the whole family. Apple's Siri is generally the best choice if you're already deeply invested in the Apple ecosystem and rely on their devices daily. Carefully consider what devices you already use on a regular basis. Compatibility is a key factor to ensure a smooth and integrated experience. In the professional sphere, voice assistants are increasingly integrating directly into common office software suites. Microsoft's Cortana is designed to work seamlessly with Windows and Office 365, offering productivity enhancements. Furthermore, some business-oriented assistants focus specifically on the unique needs of particular industries. When selecting an assistant for work, prioritize software compatibility, robust data security measures, and a clear privacy policy. For highly specific requirements, businesses even have the option to build custom assistants tailored to their workflows. This can be achieved using platforms like Alexa for Business or Google Dialogflow, providing a high degree of customization. Clearly define your primary goals, whether it's enhancing customer service, efficiently delivering product information, or creating interactive guides for users, and then carefully pick the platform that best aligns with those objectives. Ultimately, the right assistant is the one that seamlessly fits into your lifestyle or business operations, enhancing productivity and convenience. Take a moment to think critically about where you anticipate using the assistant most frequently, and most importantly, what specific tasks and functions you want it to perform for you. The very best choice will be the one that demonstrably simplifies your daily routine and makes your day just a little bit easier. So, choose wisely, and then confidently, let your chosen assistant handle the rest, freeing you up to focus on what truly matters. Making conversations with voice assistants natural is a two-way street. Speak clearly but naturally, no need to sound robotic. Use complete sentences for more context. Try different ways of asking, you might be surprised what it understands. If misunderstood, rephrase slightly. Small changes help. For complex requests, break them down if needed. Pay attention to the assistant's clarifying questions. Answering helps it learn. The more you use it, the better it gets at understanding you. Be patient with new features and provide feedback if possible. These simple tips make your interactions smoother and more helpful. Build a better dialogue, and your assistant becomes a true helper. It's about making technology work for you. Start talking and see how much better it gets. The most exciting development, assistants are starting to remember not just within a single conversation but over time. They recall your preferences, routines, and past interactions. Say, play my morning playlist. It knows what you mean. Ask for news from your favorite source, it remembers. This personalization saves you time and anticipates your needs. With your consent, assistants learn from your habits, building a profile to serve you better. Privacy matters. Reputable companies let you see and control your data. For individuals, this means a truly helpful assistant. For businesses, it means hyper-personalized customer service. Assistants can remember past purchases or support issues, making every interaction richer. It's about building relationships, not just processing requests. Contextual memory is the key to the future of voice AI. The voice revolution is here, changing lives and businesses. In healthcare, assistants help patients manage medication and let doctors dictate notes hands-free. In retail, Customers search and shop by voice, no screens needed. In offices, assistants schedule meetings, take notes, and boost productivity. At home, they manage entertainment, control appliances, and keep us connected. These are practical tools, not just novelties. Small businesses use voice assistants for after-hours customer service. Busy parents manage schedules and shopping lists hands-free. People with accessibility needs gain new independence. Next-gen assistants are more than command takers. They're conversational partners. They understand, learn, and remember, making them powerful tools. For individuals, convenience and personalization. For businesses, efficiency and new ways to engage. The technology keeps evolving, smarter, more capable every day. The voice revolution isn't coming, it's here. Embrace it and see how your world changes. The future of voice is now.